Kyrktong ke BJP na Gambegre Bernard N Marak badai sitting MDC ke Tura GHADC lathep kyrteng Menta ke Sngipalei arpusau Tarik Risaw arjar arpusau hakhmat returning officer. Ïakhun pyrshah tnga jong Myntri rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma ke Mehtab Chandi A Sangma ke lathep kyrteng ke Kyrktong ke NPP ïakhun hakani ke Elekshon ke Sadhiarani M Sangma bayeng naka TMC bat Jingjang Marak bayeng naka Kongres nalor armut ki independen ki lathep kot kisla hadu menta.
Been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 56th Gambegre Legislative Constituent Assembly. Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Gambegre constitution ni manderang na central ni scheme rang ko jikai PMAY aro job card jengon de lokos ngabarang ko na warang na ni nakchang agre sokat na mangin
anga election ongja banga antoni songni nokni manderangni neknekani rangko phana niroke kham ronga aro mongso mate chinga BJP ni ongani geman BJP ni ona tengba scheme rang songni nokni manderang na sokama sokja so phangna niko sandi ronga aro chingade mokhangni kham khana manja gemuknan scheme rang sokna nangka parang je mangan manderang scheme ko manna nanga gemukan manna nanga uni gemon ya election ba chingni remuk khangani chini kham khaniyo Gambegre area ba chinga mija flat mama ba nikra kaha bangbadan nok mama ba dongja nok banang parang BPL card mama ba dongja wan dakaba bosar hon nakani gemon chinga aro kring batte kham khana kata dawya Gambegre election no chinga raken jakhude inga jakhude gen arinan chinga dal nomination ba ka uni gemon Gambegre ni manderang ko saksa ko watchangge chinga maike niroki kham khana mangen songni manderang na maike chinga dengtang scheme rang ko sokatna mangen yan chuni khangapa ar dalbat ko makswani ong.
So do you think your standing is strong in this election?
Yes, very much. Because, see, we work at the grassroots. And the people of grassroots, they understand the initiative taken by our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. Whatever schemes he has launched and whatever schemes he has actually provided is always for the poor. Out here in Garo Hills, and especially in Gambegre, I have seen that the poor do not even have a BPL card. They do not avail the ration card, and they do not have a house. They do not have drinking water. These are the basic needs which should have been provided by the government. But in spite of so much of initiative and the funds being given to the state, the poor people remain poor. That's why it is a very we have a very positive atmosphere, and the grassroots people, they prefer the schemes which is provided by our Honorable Prime Minister. So the grassroots will make a change. See, we will only talk about the schemes that is chinga khali center scheme ni bidung sa haga nai kan mai na ga state ni scheme ni gmende ma si ja mai na ka ba state ni scheme ni mung khanginga mai na ga muk scheme man na NRG ko akan bo na PMAY ko akan bo na chi ko akan bo na nok rukyang ko akan bo ga muk kan center ni se benga uni mu state ni scheme mara ba de ukhang na angari ko thali ma si china nange andi ba chingni daito de center scheme ko gemuk noktang na sokata nange gemuk mandena sokata mana nange yasa chini challenge tong ye uni gemuk government na kang so government ko anche meghalaya gemuk government na ka andi ba dal garus BJP ni MLA saksaba dongjani asal garus ni mandera hole chabok ki chainga uni ge chabok ani ke bonat na chinga raken reim khangya arangni yang ba salung angni campaign kani somai rang ba angni meeting kani somai rang phangna na ikon public na wiata ha mai ki jal jiban mamang ba si donggijan si dongi hani mun thole report na mana mai ki kharen jakhal gijan bilara hajar sokpada nangya yan dakaba corruption rangara anchini songni nokni mandara hon lohi nek nekati oni gemen ya kurang rang ko rang na kata assembly na rang na kata sa public ni jakon phani ko public ni vote khai wata tani ko nangni kani chi ye Gambegre election susana maksongi re bai daw coalition dongen chubo garus ni de MLA dongja oni mun garus me ko dakin ko darang ba aganan mancheng debi dalo BJP block ani asesa dengtang manderangna matna nagani scheme rangko sokat janiko dalo center masina kata maknega oni gemen dal coalition donggen chimaba knal coalition dongja gen chimaba chingade public ni kurangsa public na chini sokatna nangaba scheme na sokja gen chim chiri kurang onegen oni gemen elected ongani chingeko block party assembly na rangi chetakakna mangen siba dongja nokba dongja resinba dongja merongba keji praktik gemainga light bill batti sokpainga job card thangha manjainga ya apsan ini kan songni manjarang matninga aro mungsung batte Gambegre dalo school matric center mamon dongja high secondary school rang dongja health facility rang dongja uni gemen anchini challenges te namda batnasa dalo Gambegre ko cheni beben focus Gambegre ko khana mangen cha aro namda batna cha jotong hagen rama jalang gemek kon cha namda batna jotong hagen deba garu ni gemek ni kan assembly na rang na babul mangen